Welcome to Cool Gadget Hub, your ultimate destination for the latest in tech innovation. I'm Kamindu, and today, we're diving into the future with our Amazon Gadget review. The MOOCCI floating plant pot offers a mesmerizing display for succulents, air bonsai, or artificial flowers and plants. Utilizing magnetic levitation technology, this innovative plant pot creates a captivating floating effect, adding a touch of elegance and uniqueness to any space. Crafted with a sleek and modern design, the MOOCCI floating plant pot serves as a stylish decor piece for homes, offices, and desks. Its brown color complements various interior styles, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the environment. Ideal for plant enthusiasts and those seeking distinctive decor elements, this magnetic levitating plant pot creates a conversation piece and serves as a focal point in any room. Whether used as a standalone decoration or paired with other decorative items, the MOOCCI floating plant pot adds a magical touch to any setting. The joined large salad spinner offers versatile functionality as a lettuce spinner, vegetable dryer, fruit washer, and pasta and fries spinner. With a capacity of 5.28 quarts, it provides ample space for preparing large batches of salad or other foods. This multi-use spinner features a unique design that combines a drain, bowl, and colander into one convenient unit, making it quick and easy to wash and dry various ingredients. The original Buddha board art set provides a unique way to engage in mindfulness meditation through water painting. This set includes a bamboo brush and stand, offering all the necessary tools for creative expression and relaxation. With the Buddha board, users can create beautiful, temporary artwork using only water. As the water evaporates, the image slowly fades away, emphasizing the impermanence and transient nature of life, an essential concept in mindfulness practice. Ideal for individuals seeking moments of calm and reflection, the Buddha board is a perfect relaxation gift for both women and men. Whether used for personal stress relief, creative expression, or simply to unwind, this art set encourages mindfulness and presence in the moment, providing a soothing and fulfilling artistic experience. The MOOCCI Car LED interior strip light offers a dynamic and customizable lighting experience for your vehicle. With multicolor RGB lighting and 400 inches of fiber optic ambient lighting, this kit creates an immersive atmosphere inside your car. Equipped with both remote and app control, you can easily adjust the lighting effects to match your mood or music. The music sync mode allows the lights to pulsate and change colors in rhythm with your favorite tunes, adding excitement to your car rides. Installation is simple with the car USB LED strip lights, and the adhesive backing ensures a secure fit on various surfaces. Whether you're looking to enhance the ambience of your car interior or add flair to your music listening experience, the MOOCCI LED strip light kit provides versatility and style to suit your preferences. The BlissTrends footrest is a versatile and ergonomic solution designed to provide comfort and support while working or sitting for extended periods. With its adjustable height settings, this footstool offers two different levels to accommodate various seating positions and preferences. Its washable cover ensures easy maintenance and cleanliness, while the durable construction provides long-lasting use. By elevating your feet, this footrest helps relieve pressure on your back, lumbar, and knees, promoting better posture and reducing discomfort during prolonged sitting sessions. Ideal for use at home, in the office, or even in the car, the BlissTrends footrest offers a convenient and portable solution for improving overall comfort and well-being. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to relaxation with this versatile footstool. The Strabito Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set is a comprehensive toolkit designed for various electronic devices, including iPhones, MacBooks, computers, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and more. With 142 pieces and 120 bits, this magnetic repair tool kit offers a wide range of options for repairing and maintaining your devices. Each screwdriver in the set is precision engineered and equipped with a magnetic tip, ensuring easy handling and precise control during intricate repair tasks. The kit includes a variety of bits to accommodate different screw types and sizes commonly found in electronic devices, making it versatile and suitable for various repair needs. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, this comprehensive screwdriver set provides all the tools you need to tackle electronic repair and maintenance projects with confidence and precision. keep your devices in optimal condition with the Strabito Electronics Precision Screwdriver Set. The Runbox Slim Money Clip Wallet for Men is a stylish and functional accessory designed to meet the needs of modern-day life. Crafted from high-quality leather, this bifold wallet offers durability and a sleek appearance. Despite its compact size, it features RFID blocking technology, ensuring the security of your sensitive information. With its 11-card holder capacity, this minimalist wallet provides ample space for your essential cards while maintaining a slim profile that fits comfortably in your front pocket. The addition of a money clip allows for convenient storage of cash, further enhancing its practicality. Presented in an elegant gift box, the Runbox Slim Money Clip Wallet makes for an ideal gift choice for any occasion. Whether for yourself or a loved one, this wallet combines style, functionality, and security, making it a must-have accessory for daily use.
One of the most exciting features for your Kodak Luma 150 is its ability to screen mirror. Screen mirroring allows you to share whatever is on your iPhone, Mac, or other iOS device up on the big screen. For iOS, open the wireless option in the menu on your projector to bring up the screen mirroring display. The name of your projector and password should appear on the screen. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your iOS device and select the name of your projector. Then, enter the password. After the password of your projector is entered into your iOS device, the two devices should connect to each other. To activate screen mirroring, swipe down to reveal the control center and tap Screen Mirroring. Select your projector from the list of compatible devices. When connected, your iOS screen will be mirrored to your projector. Now you're ready to share your favorite videos and photos with everyone in the room.
The CINCOM Leg Massager offers soothing relief for circulation issues, pain, and discomfort in the legs, feet, and calves. Utilizing air compression technology, it provides a gentle yet effective massage experience that promotes relaxation and alleviates swelling and edema. Ideal for individuals seeking relief from various conditions or those simply looking to unwind after a long day, this massager is designed with user comfort in mind. With 2 extensions included, it can accommodate different leg sizes, ensuring a customized fit for each user. Moreover, the CINCOM Leg Massager is FSA and HSA eligible, making it a practical and accessible solution for managing leg-related discomfort. Whether as a thoughtful gift for mom and dad or as a personal wellness investment, this massager offers a convenient and effective way to enhance overall well-being. The Joystian 2-tier bamboo steamer baskets, each measuring 10 inches, offer a traditional and efficient way to steam food. Made from natural bamboo, these steamer baskets are durable, eco-friendly, and perfect for cooking a variety of dishes such as dumplings, vegetables, seafood, and more. With 2 tiers, you can simultaneously cook different types of food, saving time and energy in the kitchen. The bamboo construction allows for gentle and even steaming, preserving the flavor, texture, and nutrients of your ingredients. Additionally, the stackable design saves space on your stovetop or in your kitchen cabinets when not in use. Easy to clean and maintain, these bamboo steamer baskets are a versatile and essential tool for any home cook looking to explore Asian cuisine or add healthy cooking methods to their repertoire.